Hello, little friends. How are you? Let's learn some colors names. Colors names in English. Let's start. Light green color, orange color, violet color, red color, sky blue color, dark blue color, dark green color, yellow color. Today we will learn alphabets. Alphabets A, B, C, D. Let's start. A. A for avocado. A for astronaut. A. B. B for ball. B for basket. B. C. C for chocolate. C for car. D. D for driver. D for dictionary. E. E for eggplant. E for egg. F. F for friends. F for family. G. G for guide. G for garden. Which color is this, kids? Yellow color, yellow. H. H for hospital. H for hand. I. I for ink. I. J. J for junior. K. K for kingdom. L. L for logic. M. M for money. N. N for nest. Which color is this, kids? Dark blue color. O. O for octopus. O for orange. P. P for parachute. P for pigeon. Q. Q for quill. Q for question. R for rainbow. R for rabbit. S. S for scooter. S for sleeper. T. T for tornado. T for teacher. U. U for university. U for universe. Which color is this, kids? Red color. V. V for violin. W. W for widow. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo. Which color is this, kids? Green color. Green. Now let's revise them once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Let's match the colors. This is yellow color. This is blue color. This is red color. And this is green color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye.